Bore da, croeso I gwasanaeth dathliad. Good morning and welcome to our celebration assembly. It has been another busy week at school, so let's find out who has been following the Windsor Clive Way and being ready, safe and respectful. This week we're starting in Year 6 with Miss Cruz's class, and Riley Stewart has a golden wristband for an excellent attitude towards school and work. We are celebrating his first full week in Year 6 and he's making amazing progress. And Casey Smith for excellent independent work when completing her persuasive advert and making excellent progress in her reading. In Mrs Mings' class this week, she has chosen Imogen Russell for fantastic work in literacy. She has enjoyed planning her persuasive advert and has shared some amazing ideas with her class. And Alex Stokes because of his excellent attitude towards work. He has been focused, motivated and ready to learn. What a great week, Alex. In our Year 5 classes this week, in Miss Morris's class, Miss Giles has chosen Bailey King for an excellent attitude and participation in all our lessons this week, and Joyce Chen for always following the Windsor Clive Way and helping others. In Miss Coslett's class this week, she has chosen Lara Rock for an excellent effort with her big write this week, and Lara is always ready to learn. And Mackenzie LaRue, because Mackenzie has worked hard to stay focused on his work all week long. In Year 4 this week, Mrs Monico has chosen Harvey Wisdom for going above and beyond in his accelerated reader and working exceptionally hard. He is always polite and friendly at all times. And Zach Fender for working above and beyond in his maths and working hard to use the correct mathematical vocabulary to explain his thinking. In our other Year 4 class this week, Mrs Mogford and Mrs Fancourt have chosen Madison Thompson for excellent attitude to work at all times and demonstrating great ICT skills this week. And Nick Zia for excellent problem solving in maths this week. In Year 3 this week, Miss Reynolds has chosen Maggie Williams for an excellent effort in all her work this week. Well done. And Joel Hewish for following the Windsor Clive Way and always being kind and helpful. In our other Year 3 class this week, Mrs MacDonald has chosen Theo Deisbecker because Theo has worked really hard this week to follow the Windsor Clive Way, and he has made an excellent effort and we're really super proud of him. And Jake Rawlins because Jake has made an excellent effort in all his work this week and can use Seesaw independently and help others, a Windsor Clive Way boy. In Mrs Harris's Wellbeing class this week, she has chosen Morgan Goodfellow because Morgan has followed the Windsor Clive Way and had an amazing week. Now it's time for our foundation phase classes, and in Year 2, Mrs Thompson has chosen Annalise Hingston and Hope Dare for going above and beyond this week by learning their tricky words and practicing them on Seesaw. In Mrs Lansing and Mrs Protheroe's Year 2 class this week, they have chosen Kaysen Lee Tobin for working hard this week to follow the Windsor Clive Way and by helping others in his class. He has also made brilliant progress with his reading and we're very proud. And Natasha Ahmed for always being ready, safe and respectful. She has done brilliant singing this week and always has a cheery, positive attitude. In Year 1, Mrs Lewis has chosen Amelia Gercio for being a fantastic listener, always trying her hardest and being respectful to others in her class. And Mehak Shah for her amazing reading and spelling, always being respectful by putting her hand up and for following the Windsor Clive Way. In the other Year 1 class this week, Mrs Jonas and Mrs Lace have chosen Alicia Martin and Sophia Kwashi for both being excellent independent learners when working on Seesaw. In Miss England's reception class this week, she has chosen Sienna Anderson for always trying to follow the Windsor Clive Way by always being ready to learn and for taking part in activities with such enthusiasm, and Harry Sargent for following the Windsor Clive Way by being ready to learn in school and for always doing his learning at home too. In our other reception class, Miss Harries has chosen Darcy Donnelly for trying really hard with her phonics this week and for following the Windsor Clive Way, and Damani Richards for always making the right choices and for always trying his best. And finally this week in the nursery, Miss Owen has chosen Morgan Lee because Morgan has done brilliantly this week. His confidence has grown so much. He has listened very carefully this week to all of the instructions. And Amy's here because Amy is loving exploring nursery and creating lots of wonderful pictures. She has been really helpful to her friends all week. Congratulations to all our Golden Wristband winners this week and for all the children in the school who have followed the Windsor Clive Way. Well done.